Everyone you meet always asks if you have a career, are married, or own a house, as if life was some kind of grocery list. But no one ever asks you if you're happy. Heath Ledger had conquered Hollywood at the age of 20 and is still considered one of the greatest actors that have ever lived. He's best known for his role as Joker in The Dark Knight, and to this day, the public is convinced that no one will ever replace his performance. But did you know that before Heath Ledger became a big name in Hollywood, he only had 69 cents in his pocket? He came from a broken home. His parents divorced when he was 11. Heath Ledger fell in love with acting in high school when he took drama class. But even though he was very talented, sadly, the rest of the class did not acknowledge his talent. When he was 17, he and his best friend packed their bags, left school, and drove across Australia from Perth to Sydney. Heath Ledger believed Sydney to be the place where he could get a small chance to do what he loved. When he arrived in Sydney, he only had 69 cents in his pocket, but tried everything to get his big break. I had 69 cents in my bank account and just enough cash from my folks to get across the country. So it took a lot of willpower for Heath Ledger to continue to pursue his dreams with barely any money. But thankfully, his talent didn't go unnoticed. With several TV shows and movies behind him, in 1998 he moved to the United States to try and make it in Hollywood, and he was soon cast as the lead in 10 Things I Hate About You. With his good looks, amazing talent, and undeniable charisma, he became one of the most loved actors in the world. His incredible performances were too hard to ignore, especially his iconic role as Joker in The Dark Knight. The world was shocked about his sudden death at the age of only 28. Despite his relatively short career in the movie industry, he will always be remembered as one of the kindest, most interesting, and talented individuals to ever make it in Hollywood. The Oscar-winning actor Heath Ledger will always be, without a doubt, one of the greatest of all time. So, what's your story?